become future stars. Chapter 13. The Moon. Moon. The Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth and our nearest companion in space. It appears as the biggest object in our sky apart from the Sun. The Moon is about 3,84,000 kilometers away from the Earth. It does not have its own light. Instead, the Moon reflects the Sun's light and appears bright at night. A natural satellite is an object that orbits around a planet. The surface of the Moon. The surface of the Moon is rough and uneven. It is made of large plains and huge mountains. There are big, round hollows called craters on the Moon. These craters are formed when pieces of rocks called meteorites crash into the surface of the Moon. The surface of the Moon consists of millions of such craters. The rocks brought back to Earth by astronauts reveal us that the surface of the Moon is covered with dark grey dust. The Moon is about 4,500 million years old, the same age as the Earth. Phases of the Moon. Seen from the Earth, the Moon appears to change its shape almost daily. However, this is only an illusion caused by the position of the Sun and the Earth and the Moon. These illusionary shapes of the Moon are called the moon phases. The Moon revolves around the Earth. The time between two full moons is about 29.53 days on average, hence, the concept of the time frame of approximated months was derived. This time, also called the synodic month, is longer than the time it takes the Moon to one orbit around the Earth with respect to the fixed stars, the sidereal month, which is about 27.32 days. This difference is caused because that both the Earth and the Moon orbit the Sun, with the Moon orbiting the Earth at the same time. The Earth also revolves around the Sun. All these movements mean that since different sides of the Moon get illuminated at different times, we can see only that part of the Moon which reflects the light of the Sun. Day 1, New Moon. When the side of the Moon facing the Earth reflects no sunlight, we cannot see the Moon. Day 3, Crescent Moon. When a small portion of the Moon can be seen. Day 7, Half Moon. When half of the Moon can be seen. Day 10, Gibbous Moon. When we can see 3/4 of the Moon. Day 14, Full Moon. When the entire face of the Moon facing the Earth gets sunlight, we can see the full Moon. The phases reverse after this. Has been visited by humans. Apollo 11 was the spacecraft that carried the first men to the Moon. Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin became the first two men to walk on the Moon. The Moon and tides. Tides are the cyclic rising and falling of ocean water on the Earth due to the Moon's gravitational pull. The gravitational pull of the create Sun and the Moon together exert a pull on the Earth's water bodies and tides. However, since the Moon is much closer to the Earth than the Sun, the Moon's pull on the water is much more than that of the Sun. The water in the seas on the side of the Earth facing the Moon is pulled upwards and the sea level rises. This is known as high tide. Another high tide occurs on the opposite side of the Earth because of the Earth's movements. The water level falls in the region between these two high tides known as low tides. The rotation of the Earth causes to high tides and to low tides every day. The highest tides occur during the new moon and the full moon phases. Tides have disadvantages as well as advantages. For example, ships can easily enter a port when there is a high tide in the sea because the water is quite deep near the shores. Fishermen cannot bring their boats back to tides have disadvantages as well as advantages. For example, ships can easily enter a port when there is a high tide in the sea because the water is quite deep near the shores. Fishermen cannot bring their boats back to the shores during the low tides because the sea water recedes from the shore. The shores during the low tides because the sea water recedes from the shore. Artificial satellite. An artificial satellite is a man-made object that orbits a celestial body, usually a planet. Our Earth has many artificial satellites. These satellites are launched into space by special vehicles called rockets. The first artificial satellite was Sputnik 1, launched by the Soviet Union, now Russia, into space in 1957. Artificial satellites are used for many important purposes. Weather satellites keep track of weather patterns. The military satellites take secret photographs of airbases and ports and watch for any military activity or the testing of weapons by other countries. Some satellites are used for scientific research. They take photographs of the Earth as well as of other distant objects of the universe. One of the most important use of satellites is in navigation and communication. The GPS, Global Positioning System, helps with navigation by providing the exact location of people or places. The signals for television and radio systems are distributed all around the world by communication satellites. Rapid review. The Moon is the only natural satellite of our Earth and is about 384,000 kilometers away from the Earth. The surface of the Moon is covered by millions of craters. The time between two full moons is about 29.53 days on an average. Apollo 11 was the spacecraft that carried the first men to the Moon. The rotation of the Earth causes to high tides and to low tides every day. Like, share, and subscribe.